Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech AI, the go-to place for all things tech. Today, we're diving into something super powerful, PowerShell. If you've ever found yourself stuck with stubborn Windows issues and traditional methods just aren't cutting it, PowerShell can be your ultimate savior. So, grab your notepad and let's explore the wonders of using PowerShell for advanced Windows repair. First things first, we need to open PowerShell with administrative privileges. Simply click on the Start menu, type PowerShell, right-click on Windows PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator. This ensures we have the necessary permissions to execute powerful commands. Step 1. Running System File Checker, SFC. Our first task is to use the System File Checker, SFC, through PowerShell to repair corrupted system files. This is a great first step if your system is acting up. To start, type the following command and hit Enter. SFC scanno. This will initiate a scan of your system files. If any issues are found, SFC will attempt to repair them automatically. This process can take a while, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. Step 2. Using the Deployment, Imaging Service, and Management Tool, DISM. Next, let's use DISM to repair the Windows image. This tool is incredibly powerful for fixing deeper issues that SFC might miss. DISM, Online, Cleanup Image, Restore Health DISM, connects to Windows Update to download and replace damaged files. It's like giving your system a thorough health check and a fresh injection of healthy files. Just like SFC, this can take a while, so be patient. Step 3. Checking disk health with chkdsk. Now let's move on to checking your disk health using chkdsk. This command helps identify and fix disk errors that might be causing system problems. Type the following command and hit Enter. chkdsk C F R X. Remember, chkdsk requires a system restart to perform the scan, so make sure to save your work before you proceed. Step 4. Managing startup programs with get service. Sometimes, unwanted startup programs can slow down your system. PowerShell makes it easy to manage these. To list all services, type get service. This will show you all running and stopped services. If you identify a service that shouldn't be running, you can stop it with stop service. Name service name. Replace service name with the actual name of the service. Step 5. Cleaning up disk space with PowerShell. Freeing up disk space can significantly improve system performance. PowerShell allows you to automate the cleanup process. To remove temporary files, type remove item, path, C, Windows tempers, recurse, force. This command deletes all files in the temp folder, helping you reclaim precious disk space. Just be cautious and double-check what you're deleting. Step 6. Updating Windows with PowerShell. Finally, let's ensure your Windows is up to date. You can check for updates using PowerShell with the Windows Update module. First, install the module. Install module. PS Windows Update. After installing, you can check for updates with Get Windows Update and install them with Install Windows Update. And there you have it. 6 powerful PowerShell techniques to troubleshoot and repair your Windows system. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our future tech tutorials. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.